Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We have a trailer behind us, so we're in store for something today. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're almost at our destination to figure out what we're doing with the pickup and trailer here. So we got about 3 minutes to go and we'll be there.
How do you end up with this?
Fred Flintstone, I guess.
Yeah. Does it have a frame underneath? No, it's a unique butter.
Oh, really? I had a little red ram handy up the house.
Oh.
There we go. Get a little extra frame anyway, probably, huh, than a unibody?
Yeah, we would figure out what the wheelbase is. So there's like a, what could I do with this?
Alright, so this is what we came to look at. It's a 1956 Goliath. I believe it's a 56. It's a two-door wagon made in Germany. I believe these guys are the first people to make a boxer engine. I could be wrong. Subaru took that over, I believe. The only thing that we're having an issue with is it is a unibody car. It's got the old Fred Flintstone style to it. And we'll just do a little walk around here and check out all the other vehicles that he has here. Tons of old stuff. And then we'll come back to this.
That's already sold. Yeah, I've boarded this place for 25, 30 years. Now I'm going to clean it up. So I'll buy a business over there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's very good. I've got the door here. I think I get the visor somewhere. Got most of the parts for it.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Why was something like this worth?
$3,000. That's for this one. It's a nice straight body though. I mean, it's not, other than a dent on the, couple of dents on the fenders and stuff. The lower panel on each side, but the main uppers are, they're straight.
Yep.
But it had wood, so it's gonna need reinforced.
Oh yeah.
That's the way I got them. I just set them there to kind of make it look good. The only bad thing about a lot of this stuff is it's going to take time to get it out,
Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah, I'll have to get a big piece of equipment and start moving stuff like that on a certain day and have people come get this fit,
Yep. I must have another MG over here. No, that's what I have.
What are we talking about?
Right here.
Oh, that's actually an MGA too, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is about a 30-year hoard right here, just where I kind of got crazy and started buying anything and everything. But it was all cool stuff, you know.
Oh yeah.
I thought it was. Now I got to clean it all up. 60 years old. Feeling that grease. Good time to get rid of that. It's going to take 2 or 3 years.
Somebody must have broke the windows out, or you had it when
Yeah, it was like that when
I got it.
it already been broke out.
I guess one thing nice about these is you can
Oh, it's flat.
just cut your flat.
Right, it's all flat. Yeah.
Yep.
Except for the front one here.
But I
What I
don't.
thought about, instead of buying a windshield, just getting a piece of that Lexon.
Lexon?
And, yeah,
Yep,
make it
that's
work.
what I was
think
just
it
gonna
could
say
do
too.
Yep.
I mean, it's still to the point where it's flat. It's just curved.
Yeah, it's got an arch to it.
Yep.
I think you could lay a piece in there, nice and easy. I mean, we were talking about cutting the stuff out of it. I guess half of it you don't have to cut out. They don't need the seats.
That's the bad. Could sit on it and see if it can. You don't even sit in it. Right?
Hey, you gonna fit?
You need to raise the roof up. I guess we're only in it for 1 minute, so we'll be fine. Dude got hurt with these tires though.
Somebody put me tires on that one time, and probably drove around town. I got them, I looked at the tires. I've had them probably 4 years. You can tell the order stuff came in. You know?
Yeah.
Yep.
This is the last one I got right here. That isn't mine there, and that's not mine there. So
Oh.
the Model T's not mine, or that one.
Yeah. Proud owner of a new Goliath. Oh, we got a lot of work ahead of us.
Looks like a lot of cutting.
Yeah. And we're putting what in that for a motor? Just a small,
Six.
yeah, straight
Blower.
6.
With a blower
Hey, we
on
could
it.
do we could do like a Barra swap, a GM.
Maybe he's got something here. He said he's gonna put something in it.
All right, well, it's official. We own a Goliath 1000, I believe it is. So 1100, whatever, doesn't make a difference. But we're gonna go ahead and load it up now.
1100C.
Test run, see if you fit in there.
Yeah. Good thing the. Yeah.
All right, Fred Flintstone it now. Let's see. Oh, God, by the time you get your helmet on, you'll have plenty of room.
Oh yeah, I got like a foot.
All right, got to move the old Plymouth here and get loaded up. Just say you got plenty of room over here.
Yeah, how's easier?
Yeah. All right, so we made it back home here with the Goliath, and that's what we're going to call this new burnout rig, Goliath. So we'll get going on this sometime in the future, but for now, here's another shot of this beast. Gonna look mighty fine with that big block Chevy with the blower sticking out of the hood there. A lot of work, unibody car, cutting everything out, trying to put it on maybe an S10 or a Ranger chassis, and kind of go from there. But that'll do it for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Look forward to the new project.